Hi, hello, and welcome to Noodles Monday Aaha, a series on instant noodles. New recipes every Monday. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more videos. Let's get into the video. Today we'll be preparing meatball curry noodles. Now for that we will be using top ramen curry noodles. Now I have taken around 150 grams of ground meat. Now the meat is of your choice. You can use ground chicken or ground beef or ground pork. Now add 1 egg to it. 1 medium-sized onion chopped, a handful of coriander leaves finely chopped, salt for taste, one teaspoon of pepper powder, and mix it. Now once this is mixed well, now we will make small meatballs out of this. Now for preparing the noodles, I've taken a medium pan and I'm adding around 2 to 3 teaspoons of refined oil. Once the oil is warm, add the meatballs to the oil and fry it till the meatballs get cooked. Chopped ginger and chopped onions. Now that the meatballs are cooked, we will add the seasoning that is in the packet. We will add 2 packets of the seasoning and mix it. Now we will add 3 cups of water and allow the water to come to a boil. Now check the salt. If in case you need some salt to it, you can add some salt. If you want to make this curry a little bit spicy, you can add 1 teaspoon of paprika. Mix it well. Once it comes to a boil, add around half a bowl of chopped tofus. Now it's time to add the noodle blocks. Now I'm using 2 whole noodle blocks from a packet of 4. Make sure that the noodle is immersed in the soup or the curry. Now we will close it with a lid and allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Now that it's been cooking for 2 minutes, we'll open up the lid and turn off the stove. Garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves. Your meatball curry noodles is ready. Hope you loved this video. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.